All right, so back over to Brad on this. Gregory writing in, he says, "Help! I found lots of small red bugs in my home. How can I get rid of them and keep my home free of these mysterious red bugs?" Mind you,
Yeah.
Brad not only is a home inspector, but he also has a new company called Team Bug Out, which is why this question is pertinent to him.
Yeah, and it's interesting because when I initially heard that, I thought, well, he's seeing the box elder larvae, which are red bugs. They're, maybe
Oh,
a quarter inch long, and we see those in a lot of houses right now. But when he sent the picture over, what he has is clover mites or red clover mites, and these are those tiny little things. They're about like the size of the end of a pin, and you'll see them on your walls, you'll see them outside the house in particular, and what they're doing is they're looking for just better climate. They'll move into your house, they come in through small cracks and crevices, and they get inside, and when you squish them, they leave little red spots everywhere.
oh,
They don't hurt anything. They don't eat anything. They are just a nuisance. Best thing to do with them is clean them up with just a vacuum cleaner and then throw the bag away outside, please. Don't leave it in your kitchen where they'll crawl back out. But the other thing that, so you can treat outside, you can do an exterior treatment of the home to keep the clover mites from coming in. If you've got them inside and you can't vacuum everything off, I know Bob Gregg, your son
yeah.
loves Castile soap. You can get Castile soap, use that as a natural deterrent. You can get neem oil, NEEM. It's readily available at any of the big box stores or the home and garden centers, but it's another natural product that you can spray, and it will eliminate those little nuisance pests in your home.
All right, good. That's a good answer.